What are error bars in a scatter plot? Whether you need good help, a genius writer, a brainy tutor, or a data wizard, Intudo4U has them all. It's like having a research dream team on demand. First I say, welcome everyone waving hand. In this video, we're going to learn what error bars are in a scatter plot. But first, if you are new here, then subscribe to yours channel for more amazing video just like that. So many people see them on graphs but don't really know what they mean. So today, I'll explain in the simplest way possible. Error bars are those little lines above and below the points in a scatter plot. They show the uncertainty or variability in your data. In other words, they tell us how accurate a measurement is, or how much it might vary if we repeated the experiment. Let's take an example. Imagine we measure the height of a plant and find it's 15 centimeters. But every time we measure, it's a little different, sometimes 14.8, sometimes 15.2. On the scatter plot, we put the point at 15. Then we add error bars, tiny vertical lines that show the plant's height could be a bit lower or a bit higher. That's the real meaning of error bars. They show the possible range around each data point. Why error bars are important? Error bars help us. Heavy checkmark, see how reliable our data is. Heavy checkmark, compare points. If error bars overlap, maybe there's no big difference. Heavy checkmark, make graphs more scientific and accurate, instead of just decorative. Solving origin error, XYZZ issue. Now, many students get confused when adding error bars in origin software. Sometimes you see an error saying, to make this plot, you need to select columns designated as XYZZ. This simply means that your data columns are not correctly set. Column A should be X. Column B should be Y. Column C should be set as Y error. Backhand index pointing right to fix it, right-click on the error column set as Y error. Now select all three columns, X, Y, Y error, and plot again. Your scatter plot with error bars will work perfectly. When adding error bars, make them clear but not overwhelming. Use a different color or thickness so they're easy to see. Add labels if necessary, so the audience knows what the bars mean. Keep the graph clean. Error bars should add clarity, not confusion. And before we close, let me tell you this: if you ever feel stuck with your graphs, reports, or data analysis, you don't have to do it alone. At Intudo4U.com, you'll find the best writers, tutors, and data analysts who guide you step by step. Whether it's preparing graphs with error bars, writing research papers, or learning new skills, Intudo4U is here to help you succeed. So now you know not only what error bars mean, but also how to solve the XYZZ error in origin and make your scatter plot look clean and professional. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.